Hey, how you doing? This is Rob at RBR, and what I want to do is show you a few new things on the MetaBike. Uh, First thing I want to show you is it's the seat stays. When I say new, it's because we didn't use some of the seat stays we already had. They had little liner pieces and a few other things with that. So we had these made. They're very good. They hold really well. We were very happy with the seat stays. We weren't sure if they were going to get here in time, but they did. So they will go out with any of the new frame kits and that. The other thing we want to explain is new is the handlebars. We're going with U-bar instead of doing the praying mantis type where it comes back to your chest. And the main reason is we just needed to get this whole project rolling and to spend the time making another set of steering. Some of you are gonna wish that I had, but we're just starting with the U-bar. I might have a few of those other bars in the packages that were sent to me by Elias, but just the U is what we're starting for. But more importantly, this is more of a squared U-bar, and it's a little bit longer, okay? So if you see it from the side, we like this a little better. It was hitting my legs when my knees would come up, I would hit. So I needed something a little bit wider. We also changed the knuckle in the middle. So this is a regular handlebar, a little thicker here, okay? And we did do just a 2-bolt. And if you notice the 2-bolt, it's a thicker piece because we had a few problems with it cracking here at the shop. That wasn't good. So we wanted to get that going. We do have it slotted, so we could put in the other head, the other steering tube if we wanted to, and the other steering system for the future. So we just were looking ahead on that one. More importantly, it's this. This would give sometimes. When I would pull hard, it would just come back. I sometimes would, on a hill, getting desperate, I would pull on it, and it would move eventually. What we've done, though, is they've done a good job, is in here on the half moon nut that's inside there, it's scored and it's steel. So it'll grab better on the aluminum housing and the casing in here. We also have a better system with the bolt. The slot goes back all the way, farther than a millimeter or two farther, which is what I needed. And the sides. Well, the other sides were nice, but you couldn't really do a lot with cranking it down to help hold it in place as much. These do. I just cranked this together. I'm going to test it again and again, but I cannot, putting this on a fork, I cannot pull it so it opens up. That's what I wanted. I wanted something that's solid. Now, testing will tell, and you guys are going to be my testers in a sense. I'm happy with this. It's at least as good as it was before. We want it to be a little bit better. We also, quick note would be on the seat where it attaches to the frame. We have a 3-hole. We went to a 3-hole, stopped the 4-hole for obvious reasons. We had some trouble with that. It can crack there easier, has too much weight stress, and we found that you can make it sit up a little better if you play with it, but if you have the 4 holes, you're just asking for trouble if you use that 4th hole in there. Didn't work for us very well, so we're back to that. All right, I'll keep you informed as other things come up, but the rest of the bike looks great. We're just doing the aluminum front disc 700C fork. People are wondering why we're not going with the carbon fork like has been done before. And the main reason is I wanted this first Meta to be a good all-around bike. Now we sell it in frame kits, so you can do whatever you want to with getting your own fork, getting your own wheel sets, getting your higher end components. But we just started here with the X7 rear and the shifters X9 and keep it kind of basic. The wheel set is fine. It's nothing spectacular, but we're just trying to get something more like a all-around bike. We think they're all sturdy parts and it's good, but I know I'm going to be getting the different stuff for mine. I want a little better wheel set. I want a little better. I can't help it. I like to get that XX cassette in the back if I can. So, and I'm also going for double I'm thinking of doing more of that, whereas we still are sticking with the triple, because a lot of the performer or recumbent people, not performer or MetaBikes, but the recumbent people just kind of want that mountain bike front triple. And they don't make them anymore. They're not making them, at least in a quality that we were real happy with. So we're trying to, sort through that. But you can come up with your own components, obviously. All right. Looks good. I'll just keep you up to date on things as they come. Thanks. Bye-bye.